Happy Wednesday, geckos. I hope everyone had a great time yesterday with our level jumps activity and also our superhero warm-ups. I got a chance to see some videos and pictures of our awesome geckos being active. Keep those pictures and videos coming if you'd like. We like to see you all being active. I did get a couple emails yesterday that some links were not working for some of the students. And the best thing that we can do with some of those, if the links aren't clicking over, try to refresh the page or click off of the website and try to click back on the website. And a lot of times it'll kind of refreshes it and it helps it work. If you still can't get it to work, email me or send me a message and I can send you a link directly for the activity that you'll be able to access through your email. Okay, so again, try to refresh it. Try to close out of the browser and open the website back up, and a lot of times that works, and we'll get the links working. So today, again, very similar to yesterday, we click on our Wednesday. The link will pop up, the slide will pop up, and we have our warm-up activity as Zumba, and our big activity is called creative movement. So for our Zumba activity, as we click on it, a slide will show, and it's going to give us a link to 5 different Zumba dances. You guys can choose to do 2 of those for your warm-up. So once you click on it, a YouTube video will pop up just like this, and Zumba will begin. Okay. Make sure your volume's up because there is music to it that helps out quite a bit. The next thing that we're going to do as we go to our activity sheet here is creative movement. So when you click on the creative movement link, again, it's going to bring you to a slide and it says choose 2 of the inside activities and 2 of the outside activities. Okay. Now, really, a lot of this stuff can be done inside or outside, so you make sure you choose as long as it's in a safe spot and your parents or guardians are okay with you doing that activity where you choose. But you can run up and down your steps for 5 times. You can crab walk to 3 rooms in your house, perform 10 push-ups. You can also lay on your back, put a pillow in between your feet, and try to keep your feet up in the air and balance for as long as possible. Our outside ones, we have 20 frog jumps where you put your hands and your feet on the ground and you jump up in the air. So 20 of those frog jumps, or come up with a creative way to jump on your own. Go for a 5-minute walk. Make sure you're being safe and you're on your property. You can go around your house, run 1 lap, skip 1 lap, gallop a lap, and walk a lap. Okay, that's one of the options. And then the last option is come up with your own creative way to move around your house. So that's our activity for today. Again, if you have any questions, make sure you email me or Mr. D, and we will be happy to answer them. Have a wonderful Wednesday.